She's not nearly as delightful as she thinks she is.
What's this machine do?
Makes a lot of noise. It's gonna help us figure out what's wrong with it.
You think House has lost a step?
He's fine. There. Clump of affected cells in the femur of the femur. Explains intermittent bleeding disorder.
Because I don't need to subject myself to House's torture if there's no upside.
I'm telling you, he's fine. We missed some affected cells in his heart. Explains the continuing hypertensive issues.
You said the last case really threw him, and now suddenly...
I was wrong.
So you changed your mind. Why? His brilliant ideas on this case have all been yours.
There's the reason for him needing glasses. Apparently it's a symptom. It means the condition
You
predates...
don't change your mind without a reason.
House didn't blow the last case. Cuddy cured the guy using House's idea. Cuddy and Wilson are trying to teach him some humility.